This video is called The Green Neighbors, Reassessing the Quaker Parrot. Meet the Quaker Parrot, also known as the monk parakeet. These 1-foot-long birds are confident, social, and remarkably intelligent. Despite their small size, they possess the bold personalities of much larger birds and are renowned for their incredible ability to mimic human speech. Known for their unique quaking and shaking behavior, which is exclusive to this species, they make affectionate and loyal companions that bond deeply with their human flocks. However, beneath their charming exterior lies a complex legal history that has made them a contraband bird in many American states. Wild origins. Architects of South America. To understand the Quaker Parrot, we must look to their wild cousins, the monk parakeets of South America. They are native to a region extending from central Bolivia and southern Brazil into central Argentina and Uruguay. Unlike almost every other parrot species that nests in tree cavities, monk parakeets are master architects. They build massive, elaborate external nests made of thousands of woven twigs. These aren't just nests. They are apartment blocks with separate entrances and multi-room chambers for different pairs, sometimes growing to the size of a compact car. Coming to America, from pet stores to the wild. Thousands of these parrots were imported to the U.S. between the 1960s and 1980s as pets. Their color, intelligence, and hardy nature made them an instant hit. But some escaped or were released, and because they're one of the few temperate zone parrots, they didn't just survive, they thrived. Today, self-sustaining feral populations are a charming addition to urban landscapes across the U.S., from the parks of Chicago to the historic Greenwood Cemetery in Brooklyn, and throughout Texas and Florida. They have even survived in harsh Chirac winters by building their nests on warm electrical equipment. The case against the ban: misguided laws. Despite their popularity, it is illegal to own or sell a Quaker Parrot in a number of U.S. states, including California, Georgia, Pennsylvania, and New Jersey. These laws often classify them as agricultural pests or invasive species. The argument for reassessment. However, these restrictions are scientifically unsound and misguided for the U.S. context. In the U.S., these birds are primarily urban and suburban dwellers, nesting in parks and on utility poles, rather than invading vast tracts of farmland. And while they are regarded as pests in South American eucalyptus forests, in North America, they are often welcomed by local residents and birdwatchers, who see them as a harmless addition to the ecosystem. Echoes of the past. The Carolina parakeet. We have been here before. The Carolina parakeet was a bird of similar size and a vibrant green color that was once a vital part of the ecosystem in the American Southeast. Like the Quaker parrot today, it was often labeled a pest. Tragically, farmers and other humans hunted the Carolina parakeet to extinction by the early 20th century, losing the only parrot native to the United States. Are we repeating history by vilifying the Quaker parrot? Instead of fear-based legislation, perhaps it's time to embrace these intelligent, resilient birds as a naturalized part of our world. By moving from a pest mindset to one of coexistence, we can ensure that we don't lose another beautiful green neighbor to misguided policy.